my sweater. You'll see later why I'm wearing it. And this is what we did last night with the tree. Now we're just gonna decorate it. My mom's making pancakes, and my sister and her boyfriend are watching up. You wanna say hi? Morning. I'm gonna decorate the gingerbread man since I have the sweater on. This is what it looks like now. We're taking this seriously. Look at this. Gingerbread man is done. Now I did the roof. Really nice. Oh my god, you did the tree. Nice. So cute. The windows made the whole house. We started hot gluing it. This is a huge mess because I guess it broke. Or we still don't have this other side on. Okay, so the gingerbread house came out. This is it. There's gonna be some more stuff added to it, but for now, I'm gonna eat this. Oh, that's hard. Well, I'm going back home now with Justin. Bye, Naya. What are you doing, eating the gumballs?
No, I'm putting them on the thing, look.
Oh my god, cute. Oh my goodness, it's cute. Just got back home. This is the bowl of beets. So I'm going to end off this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, day 3, Advent. We got these little chocolates because those other ones did not fit, obviously. Which, ooh, can I have half?
No.
Well, I guess I'll eat tomorrow's then while you're sleeping. I had one class today. It was from 10:45 a.m. to noon, so I didn't vlog or anything, especially because I had a presentation. And now I basically have 4 more classes. And because today is kind of a chill day and I don't have like immediate work due, I'm just kind of cleaning around because we've been super busy. And I'm gonna finally decorate. I've had these decorations from Vlogmas Day 1, which is December 1st, sitting on this couch here. I really just want to decorate and just have everything up on the tree. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I've had a few of you guys actually text me and say you like them, so that's really nice. I'm gonna finish cleaning up and then I will show you guys how I decorate. Now that everything is super clean, let's decorate the tree. So I have these 2 boxes of 100 lights, so we'll do that first. I definitely need more. So excited for these. They're super sparkly. So happy with how the tree came out. Very sparkly ones. I'm so glad that I got these. I think I might find stuff here and there to add to it. Maybe even do a tradition that we have in our family where we're just like, I'm sure other families have it too, but you know, you just have like your own Christmas ornaments that are like special to you. Now, this is what we have. I'm about to wash this thing. I've decided, I mean, if you saw my first vlog, I was just like, okay, so I got this for my table, and I also got this for my table. I said that with a bunch of stuff, but I've decided that I want the cookie jar on the table. We don't really eat a lot of junk food, but we had a party, and some girl, one of Justin's friends, she brought like a ton of stuff. Like, so now we just have a cabinet full of junk food, and might as well put it out for decoration. I'm just joking, we sometimes eat cookies. So, those are the snacks I was talking about. Oh, I need these. Okay, let's see. Where are the cookies? These are some cookies. Oh, this is like horrible. Yes. The jar is all set. It's super nice. I also want to do the gumball thing still though. I did some kind of like decoration for the bathroom here before with cotton balls. I take these out though and use them for the gumballs. This is gonna go to the garbage because I think it's like getting bad. Move somewhere else. I'm so sad. This was something else from IKEA. It was like this, and then you can put a candle here, and it has like a glass thing over it, and it reminded me of Beauty and the Beast, but that broke because I can't have anything nice. Be somewhat organized. Let's try it. It's just gonna stay here now on the table. Making some pasta. Justin's grandmother sent us some sauce. Her sauce is amazing. Just need a spot for these. I think I'm gonna put them hanging down from here. Some double-sided tape, and they're out. To quickly finish up what I was doing, we just ate pasta. I still didn't get more, but if you can just envision a bunch of these stacked or like twisted up with each other all the way across. I finished up my work, and now I'm going to make some tea. I'm boiling some water. Teapot. I love this teapot so much. Hi everybody. I have decided that I'm still going to do Vlogmas because I was really excited about that and I do want to do it. I'm not going to be posting a video a day. It just like, it's too much for me. I've been sleeping like 3 hours and it's not the best thing to do like during this second to last semester of mine. I kind of don't want to fail a class. I'm going to be cooking. We've basically had like pasta or like just carbs for the past few days. I wanted to pick up some protein and vegetables, and that's exactly what I have. I'm trying to recreate my favorite dish from this place we go to a lot, Community Food and Juice. Green squash noodles. I got 1 carrot. I couldn't find shaved carrots, so like I'm gonna have to like shave this down. And then I got the bean sprouts. I didn't get avocado. New York avocados are so hard. I want to go back to California. Their avocados are so soft and amazing. But anyway, then I got this just to make a little side thing. I don't know, come up with something. Oh, I got tofu. So I'm going to be making tofu for the first time. I got Justin some chicken. It took me longer than I was hoping, but I shredded the carrot. Now I'm going to do the tofu. I just actually watched a YouTube video on how to make tofu since I've never done it. Put something like a pan on top of your wrapped tofu to like have some weight in it so the liquid comes out. So I'm just gonna leave that while I make the dressing. So I'm gonna make the peanut sauce. I'm just gonna do peanut butter, some honey, olive oil, and a little bit of rice vinegar. This isn't the recipe that I've looked up. I looked up so many, but it's like similar ingredients that they had in it. Food came out. I'm not sure how the tofu is yet. I'll let you guys know later. But I made the peanut sauce. I'll show you. The salad, which I'm gonna hold for later because that's a lot. This is the tofu, and that's Justin's chicken. So this vlog is very short. I didn't do anything fun today. No, I'm joking. But I mostly did work. So today was like an all work day, and then well, work and some procrastination. But then I decided to listen to music and paint and unwind a little, and now I'm gonna go edit. But I want to show you my painting because it actually came out pretty cute. So Starry Night painting. This is how it's coming out. Obviously I have a lot more work to put into it. Oh, this is my sister's drawings. They're so cute. They're always doing things like this. This is Addison's. So we kind of slept in a lot today, but then we went out to get breakfast. We went to this place called Absolute Bagels, which Justin's been wanting to go to. I'm about to get to bed because bed is my favorite place to do work. I do have a desk, but I like to be super warm and just like lay underneath the blanket. Sometimes, yes, I do fall asleep. So I finished with all of my work. I can just hang out. We're gonna finish our show called F is for Family. So Justin and I decided to turn tonight into a self-care night. Actually, I decided, but I'm forcing him. So I'm gonna wash my face and then put on this face mask that I love. Now that that's off, I'm going to go get my tool from the freezer. It's really easy to clean since it rolls. First I'm going to apply my little mini cooling stick from Milk. I finished their oil because that's what it came with. The oil was amazing at first, but then it was kind of breaking out my skin, which was sad. I'm going to put this Radiance Serum on. It's from Caudalie, or Caudalie. Not sure if it's supposed to have like a long-lasting effect. Now for the jade roller, I use this oil by Tarte called Maracuja oil. Cover your entire face with it. Now I'm going to do my jade roller. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because I do want to do a different video where I talk about the jade roller and my facial gua sha. Talk about techniques and just like the benefits of it, but for now I'm just going to show you guys. The last thing I'm going to do is put on my eye cream. And that's it. I try to do that once a week. I don't do the facial gua sha or jade roller as much as I'd like to, but you're supposed to do it weekly. But now I'm gonna go to sleep. Hi everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Kind of just had breakfast today and accidentally took a nap, like a very long nap. How long was the nap? It was supposed to be 10 minutes to lay down, but I ended up falling asleep. Now we're gonna go get coffee and do some work before finals. We're leaving now. We got a lot of work done, like a few hours. Justin, are you happy?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get some dinner. Before we go grab dinner, I did want to show you guys some stuff that I use to keep organized. This is the planner that I'll take to class with me. Oh, I just painted my nails yesterday. But I'll take this to class with me and basically just write out everything that I need to do. These are some posts, internet marketing. Tuesday, I'll write the date. My handwriting's super sloppy. But I'll write it in here first, cross out some stuff. Go and I transfer my work onto Trello. Folder here called Finals, where I just have all of my final projects and final tests right now and their due dates. And I have to do. This is where I mostly just put my schoolwork. So you'll see some classes that I'm taking. Consumer behavior is basically done. I need to show up on Monday, which is this week, and do the peer review. Then I have social media, only 2 assignments left. My final paper, which I was just working on over there, and it's almost done actually, and the final presentation, which is due this Wednesday. Market research, I just have a final paper. It sounds small, but it's actually a very hard paper to write, so that's gonna be a lot of work. This is due tomorrow. We're like halfway done with it, so that's fine. Then round 5, final extra credit, and he wants us to come into class on Tuesday knowing about the extra credit assignment. This is finance. I have to do this quiz tonight actually, so after we eat dinner that's what I'll be doing. There's some homework on Connect. Oh, I did that last night. So see, this is really cool. Now I can either edit, which is like edit the label. I can add people to see this event, copy, I can change the due date, or I can archive, which is just delete. So I finished with that, so I'm deleting it. Final exam review. I might go to this. It's Sunday tomorrow, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I really hope I make it because this is the only class that I'm feeling super nervous about. And this is just a list of possible topics are posted on my Blackboard. So that just shows like what topics will be on the test. And then this is today. So I wrote out my schedule for today. So we're gonna go get dinner. I wanna do laundry and clean the room. I wanna finish working on my social media marketing paper, create the slides that I have to present on Wednesday, do the quiz, study for finance. So yeah, this just keeps you super organized and I love it. It's called Trello. You guys should check it out. It's free. So those are just my 2 tips for keeping yourself organized during finals. A little planner and Trello, which is amazing. I love making lists. I was always writing them out, crossing things out, writing it over. But now that I have Trello, I love it. I just delete, move things over. Oh, I have to show you that too. This and move it over to something. So that's it about that. We're gonna go grab dinner. So we went to Sweet Greens and this is what I got for dinner. It's almost done. We were very hungry. But there's squash in there, pear, walnuts, fennel, and spinach. That's it for Vlogmas Day 8. I'm going to edit my video now. Good night, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.